So Jaime.
Hey Carlos.
Question of the week from the YouTube community.
Awesome, let's do it.
This is Jordan. He is just starting his own agency and he doesn't have any clients yet.
Okay.
But when he goes into a meeting,
yes,
the clients are asking him if he guarantees results.
Ooh.
What should he say?
Jordan, very, very good question. And dude, I certainly struggled with that myself when I started my agency. What I can tell you is, first of all, huge respect for going down that path. Huge respect for, trying to build out your agency and trying to design your life and build a solid business. That's the first thing that I want to say. And the second thing that I would say is, here's how I used to deal with that when I started out, and it was a complete failure. When they would tell me that, I would try to guarantee results. I would tell them, hey, look, we're gonna get a 2x return on investment every single time. And you have to, worry about nothing, and I can guarantee you're gonna get amazing results. And the thing is, a lot of the times, especially if you don't have any client, if you say that, first of all, it's gonna make you look like a bit of a salesy, spammy, salesy guy, right? It's a bit sleazy. It's not the right approach. And the thing is, if you do say that, you're digging yourself into a much bigger hole, because what they're gonna do next is gonna say, cool, can you show me concrete examples where you're doing that consistently? That's really where it goes downhill for a lot of people. And so what I recommend, Jordan, is you tell them straight up the truth. And the truth is, in life, there's no guarantees. There's no guarantees. In life, I could invest my time, my energy. I could literally work on my agency for 12 hours. Even if I work smart, there's no guarantees that I'm gonna reach massive success, right? There's always that certain element of luck. There's always a lot of variables that we don't have control over, right? And so what you tell them is, look, there's no guarantees in life, and anyone who tells you that they can guarantee you a certain result is lying to you. And personally, I would not trust those people. In my case, what I can tell you is, from our previous, from our previous track record, based on actual figures and what we've done in the past, I can certainly predict we're gonna get you killer results. And our track record, for example, this is an example, but our track record indicates that we're able to produce 2x return investment results for our clients on a consistent daily basis. But not only that, what I go as far as doing with my team is I only hold ourselves accountable to our last metric, our last results. And that actually keeps my team very sharp. And so, with me, I don't like to, cherry pick any one single client or one single case study that, maybe we've had success with 3 years ago, right? What we want to do is hold ourselves accountable to literally the last metric that we've gotten right now, to the last result that we've got for our clients. Just to close it off, there are no guarantees in life, and I cannot guarantee you anything. If people are, if someone comes and tells you that they can guarantee you results, they're certainly lying to you. What I can say that we predictably get amazing results for our clients. If you like that, then amazing. If not, maybe we're not the right fit. So Jordan, that's how I would approach that situation. It's all about really the mindset that you go into a meeting with. Never try to be in a position where you almost need it too desperately to have them become a client of yours, right? And that comes across a lot if you tell them that you can guarantee results, which is, they know that's not realistic, right? When you force something that's not realistic, it immediately speaks a lot about your abundance, and obviously it puts you into just a scarcity position, just a weak position in the negotiation table. Jordan, that's what I would say about guaranteeing results. Never guarantee results. If you guys have any other question when it comes to meetings, when it comes to signing clients, when it comes to rebuttals, leave them down below in the comments. I'll be checking those and I'll be making videos about that. Before you go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel. There's a ton of valuable content coming out. There's a lot of bluff in this industry. What I can tell you is, I've actually been through it. I've been through this process. I've built a successful agency, and now I'm teaching others completely for free on my YouTube and going very, very in depth in my videos. Not shiny stuff, real value. And so go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And as I said, leave in the comments down below what you'd like to see next. So till next time, take care and speak soon.